नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम JVN Dr. Minakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about business organization. In this subject, our topic is business interface. So let's start about business interface. Business interface consulting is a prolific human resource consulting organization built passionately by the affable and charismatic Kumudini Nanda and her team of energetic and knowledge recruiting consultants. Business interface consulting is a prolific human resource consulting organization built passionately by the affable and charismatic Kumudini Nanda and her team of energetic and knowledgeable recruiting consultants. Specializing in executing search and selection, business interface has today carved a niche for itself in providing talent solution and is a name to reckon with. It enjoys the patronage of CXOs and are human capital partners to some of the best brands in India and abroad. Areas of expertise include brand building, senior level executive search, mid management recruitment, compensation consulting, training and performance management. Core value. What is core value? We partner with organizations in furthering their human capital goals and also with candidates adding their career growth. What is partnership? Partnership is a business interface means simultaneous performance. Our core values define how we conduct ourselves and our business and help us enhance value for our people, clients and organization. Partnership, professional excellence and innovation. Professional excellence. What is professional excellence? We constantly strive to excel and upgrade our skills in trained with evolving industry best practices. We deliver on our promises each time and every time. What is innovation? We constantly innovate and brainstorm on out of the box solutions for each new assignment in our quest to provide superior service to one and all. What sets us apart? We are today synonyms with exceptional level of service. Our personalized service and innovative approach by our young talent team of consultants have been our strength. We have to our credit still a record of performance and we continue to raise the bar in client satisfaction. We take pride in the fact that 99% of our business comes from repeat customer. We are nimble footed and have a flat organization. This helps us in quick decision making. Our dedicated teams work in an environment where creative solutions around, and so we are able to deliver great solution at speed. We are decisive to meet the challenge that emerge, providing our clients the competitive edge. What is industry? Define industry. Service and consulting. We are working with 23 large and mid-size IT service and technology consulting companies, areas like ERP, ADM, IMS, mobile internet, testing, engineering service, etc. Automotive and manufacturing. We are working with Indian and global engineering design centers, helping them augment technology talent in engineering design, engineering software, mechanical system and structure. product life cycle management, embedded system, business IT, and etc. Banking, financial service, and insurance. Our client base includes IT service companies. Focus on BFSI and global financial services company running their technology captive centers in India. Our clients work in areas like retail and wholesale banking, investment banking, insurance, and capital market. Energy and utilizes. We work with Fortune 500 Energy and utilize companies running their GIC from India and working in areas like ERP, commodity and energy training, digital transformation, asset management, IT infrastructure and support, and business IT. Retail media and entertainment. We are augmenting technology talent for global companies working in area like media product and services, entertainment, retail, and e-commerce. We are working with them in skills related to business technology, internet, mobile, and digital application support, testing, analytics on our product development. Telecommunication and high technology. We are working with global telecom and high technology companies and helping them augment talent in areas like product design, hardware product development, chip design, software, mobile and digital, testing support, and operations. Healthcare and life science. We work with Fortune 100 healthcare, pharmaceutical companies, and life science organizations, helping them augment talent in areas like enterprise, technology solution, healthcare technology, and analytics and big data. Reason to choose business interface. What is reason? Why choose a business interface? First one is that our technology power some of the quickest turnaround time in the business. We help our clients make decision even faster as we deliver result in real time with accelerated communication between third parties and validate that candidate provide documents are authentic and correct. Second is service. Our organization serve wide range of customer. Our customer vary is size from east and side to globe multi-billion industry. Our service offering categories are specialized background verification, mobile monitoring, executive protection, and value-added service such as risk management and audit, advanced technology. We continuously build our knowledge of the industry and are committed to sharing this knowledge with our customer, in which our advanced technology solution and identify analytics play a great role in providing expert service to our customer in due time. Quality. Our track record validates our efforts to maintain consistent growth year after year, ensuring long-term value creation for all stakeholders, professionalizing, intelliging, hearing, evaluating, and credence redefined employees in always attentive. Professional development on intuition that help us to notice things that others do not. Their vigilance is needed in order to stay aware of potential risk. Next is corporate compliance. Highest standard of excellence in deliver capabilities and compiles with best in class quality practices for its service delivery. We also provide tools and outreach to help customers stay informed of changing regulation. In this session, important question asked in the examination: explain business interface. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any question, any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.